From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for July 5th, 2018. Today we're taking a look at the EURUSD, the euro versus US dollar for today's trade analysis. Starting here on the daily time frame, we can see a couple of things about this chart right around the 1.1695, 1.1725 level. It's highlighted in blue here towards the bottom of the chart. We have seen significant decisions by the market being made. Decisions causing support resistance. That's really what we're highlighting here on the chart. Are those zones or areas where the market has made significant trading decisions, sometimes as resistance, sometimes as support, and sometimes as congestion. If we look at that blue zone, 1695, 1725, we can see currently the market's finding resistance there, and it has for about 4 days now, finding resistance just underneath 1695. We go back even a few more days and we can see resistance just here, top of the black box, blue zone. About a week ago we saw resistance here and the market turned back down to the orange zone. We go back even further, just to the left of the black box, and you can see support into this area. So we know that the market made significant trading decisions here, 1625 on top of it as support. And then we go back a little bit further, just to the right of the blue trend line, we could see congestion, resistance on the way back down and on the way back up for the market. So what we've highlighted here is this blue zone is significantly important for the euro dollar and the traders around this level. Sometimes as resistance, where buyers exit, sellers enter. Sometimes as support, where sellers exit and buyers enter. Sometimes as a period of hesitation or congestion for the market, right around 1.1695, 1.1725. So if the market is doing that, the millions and billions and trillions of dollars a day in volume being traded are making trading decisions around this blue zone, smaller investors might also be looking to make their trading decisions around this blue zone as well. The red trend line coming down from the top shows us our last couple of highs, resistance high here, resistance high here, and we're now challenging that red trend line again for the third time. One time, two times, now the third time, coming right into that red trend line, which happens to be right at the same level. So we have the top of this black box, somewhat of a range here, or a period of consolidation. We have the red trend line, we have the horizontal blue shaded area. Now, of course, I could probably take some Fibonacci measurements here on the chart and find some that match up here as well. I think we're just going to confuse the chart a little bit, but just for example, let's take Fibonacci from this last high down to our low, and we now find the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level of this high to this low, the last high to the last low. Let's just put it like that. This high right here with the black X's, and this high here, or low here with the black X's. So Fibonacci between those two black X's, we see the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level living at 1.1720, which happens to be the same area, the blue shaded area. So we know with some confidence now that this is a significant decision zone highlighted by multiple clues for the euro dollar. One of two things is going to happen here. It's either going to break above it and continue a reversal back towards, well, the next resistance, which happens to be the purple zone way up here at 1.1820. I can tell you that because of what happened back here. So above the blue zone, we go to the purple zone. Second potential scenario is that it finds resistance at the blue zone because of all these clues and indicators. And we look forward to go back down to the yellow zone, of course, as our first support, 1645, 1.1620. Breaking through the yellow zone continues the downward slide back down to the orange zone. Why? Because that's what happened back here. So I can tell you that with some confidence. And of course, if we ever can break through the orange zone, we'll look for it to go lower. We have significant news in the next couple of days for the US dollar, which may cause or be the catalyst for any of these scenarios. So we're watching the blue zone today. Watch the blue zone for clues for a breakout, which we don't have yet. I don't think we can clearly say it's breaking out above 1725 with any confidence. No breakout clues here. We'll watch for then potential reversal. Any good positive momentum for the US dollar, we'll look for this to reverse, go back down, targeting the yellow zone down to the 4-hour time frame. Really won't change that scenario, but gives us a more of a zoomed in view of this blue zone. Take a look at the last time we were here, and I'm just going to highlight it with a little bit of a circle. Let's see if we can pull this out like this. Take a look right here. When we talk about clues to reversal, there it is. We had the market pressuring into the blue zone, sudden reversal, big red candle, bearish candle, sudden reversal, the bears come back in and drive it lower. That's the kind of clue we need. We need some sudden reversal. We need a sudden influx, infusion of sell orders before we can have confidence that the market's going to turn around and go back down. Until then, the potential for the breakout is still a viable option here for the euro dollar from the blue zone today for the euro.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.